Hello gamers, Crazy Pat here. I'm going to do a quick video. I have a cartridge for the Bally astrocade that was working and no longer is. And I've cleaned the contacts several times. So what I'm going to do is open it up and see if I can remelt the solder and try to get it working. This cartridge has little screws on the back. And I have a few little screwdrivers, and we'll take those out and see what we find inside. Let's try this one. Alright. I got most of the screws out. So let's take a look at this circuit board. Some good 1981 technology. Trying to see if anything is obviously broke. I don't see anything. So I'm going to try to reflow these solder joints, and maybe that will get it back to work. I've already started on a couple of these. I'm just going to reflow this solder by touching each point where the chip has all these pins, and they go through and they're soldered to the circuit board that comes out to your connectors. And if one of the solder joints might be cracked, then that could keep the game from working. So I'm just gonna kind of put my iron on each little spot, and it'll remelt the solder a little bit, and if that was the problem, it should be remedied. I saw one other thing that we'll take a look at as well. I reflowed every solder point on here. I'm going to show you the other thing that could be. And if you see up near the top of the board there's a spot where some of the copper has been scraped off or corroded off over the years. And I'm just going to put a little bit of solder on there. You heat the spot you want the solder to go first, and then that will make the solder want to stick to that spot, like so. I'll give that a minute to cool, and then we'll put the cartridge back together and test it out. Here's the moment of truth. I've got the astrocade hooked up, and we're going to try this artillery duel. I don't know if it's going to work. I have yet to try it. And it is not working. Apparently it had a bad ROM chip in it or something. But I just wanted to show some of those little soldering techniques anyway. So hope that can help someone. I've had a couple chips go bad in my systems, like the ColecoVision that I've had replaced. But didn't work this time, but maybe next time. Thanks for watching.